The latest coming in from West Bengal, where we saw some trouble also between Trinamool Congress and also the left in West Midnapur. But let's focus on the two key constituencies today out of the 6 seats that are up for polls today. Munmun Sen looking to retain a seat in Bankura, whereas we see Babul Supriyo, the singer-turned-politician, celebrity-turned-politician representing the BJP, up against Dola Sen of the Trinamool Congress in Asansol. Babul Supriyo spoke to Sambit Bal a short while ago. Let's take a listen to that.
We are joined by Babul Supriyo, the candidate from Asansol, the celebrity candidate, but he seems to be very agitated. Why is he agitated since last evening?
I am not at all agitated. I am giving away autographs. And am I not supposed to be serious? And why would I be in a singing mood when I am getting calls from different villages that our party workers are getting attacked, and there are all kinds of intimidating tactics, threatening, beating up, presence of bikes in the area, presence of Mr. Anubrato Mandrol along with his team of goons. Entire Asansol is aware of it. That it is your channel. All the channels are showing those news. So,
are you apprehending violence and rigging as it was?
There is no question of apprehension. There is. I am not talking about BJP. All the political parties are convinced that if you go by the example that was set by the Election Commission in terms of safeguarding or ensuring a free, fair, peaceful elections, it has not happened. Everyone knows. All your cameras have picked up pictures of rigging and absolute violence threatening happening during the third phase. So this is a fourth phase where the Commission has to prove that when you are asking for 36 companies of Central Forces, you get only 21. And yes, I have spoken to everyone personally. They have assured us that the Central Forces have been deployed judiciously. But
Sambit joining us live now. Sambit, what's the latest down on ground? Any trouble in Asansol so far? Because there has been allegations, counter allegations. There have been brush-ups with the law, complaints to the Election Commission in the run-up to the polls. What's the scenario right now?
Yes, there is some tension in certain pockets in Asansol constituency, and what we have got to know so far that there are some minor clashes in Jamuria constituency, Jamuria segment of this Asansol constituency. 2 CPM workers were injured in a clash, and allegedly TMC workers had attacked them. They are being taken to Asansol subdivisional hospital, and in Pandopeshwar also one handicapped lady was beaten up. We do not have the confirmation about the party to which she was belonging to, but these kind of allegations are coming up from Bankura. Also, we are getting some reports that in certain booths, the CPIM agents were not allowed to sit there. That is what the CPIM candidate Basudeb Acharya have been alleging. So these kind of allegations are coming up, but Election Commission is telling us that so far the polls are being held in peaceful manner, but there are some allegations which are to be addressed, and this time they have made foolproof arrangement with proper deployment of Central Forces, but the opposition parties are not really happy with the deployment of Central Forces even in this phase, when they had some allegations about the deployment of Central Forces in last phase as well.
Right, we heard Babul Supriyo. Let's listen to Dola Sen also.
Only one thing I can tell, that in CPIM regime, the common people of Bengal did not get the right to vote, did not exercise their constitutional right to vote. Now, in Mamta's regime, Mamtaji's regime, all Bengal people, common people, in Panchayat election also, they have exercised their constitutional right to cast their vote, and in Lok Sabha election also, they are entitled and they are exercising their constitutional right to cast their vote. That's it.
In Asansol, the people are saying that Narendra Modi wave is there and the BJP candidates are creating a kind of ripple out here. Are you sensing that?
Narendra Modi is a media hype, nothing else. Narendra Modi and Buddhadev Bhattacharya, both are human killer. They are not human being.